It's the latest Focus model. 89110 had Seiko 1536 head machine. It uses wide format printing. The width can reach 60 centimeters. Then its total length is 2.42 meters. The height of the trolley of the machine can be raised to 30 centimeters. It uses a gantry sliding group platform. This is a borderless suspension design. It allows a wider range of materials to pass through. There are two stainless steel beads. You can make the material install more smoothly on the platform. These two infrared indicators can indicate the actual area of printing. There are also laser altimeters. There's a touchscreen here. You can control the movement of the machine up and down, and its vacuum adsorption function. Here we also use a bucket that can collect materials. The printed materials can be collected directly here. And then it uses for multi-function corner wheels. The machine can be fixed to the ground more smoothly during use. It can also be moved after being raised. There are emergency stops at both ends. It can be dealt with urgently in the event of an accident. This place is our gantry sliding resistance platform. It uses dual servo motors. You can move the car up and down more smoothly, and the machine can also be used with a variety of adaptive processing modules. Well, first of all, the first one. This is our adsorption platform. The adsorption platform is through these four suction cups, and we attach our material to this deflection correction system, and then go through our plasma processor. Treat the surface of our material. Then, after processing, this correction belt will send the material to our printer platform. Then show you our printer touchscreen interface. First of all, this is the belt speed. The speed of the guide belt can be adjusted. Then this is the lift control of the nozzle. We can adjust the height of the nozzle through it. Then this is the lifting speed. Then this is the switch we use to control the operation of the adsorption fan. Here is the adjustment button for absorbing the wind force. Then we can turn it off. Then when we run the conduction band, this material will follow the conduction band into the print area. Then here is our nozzle position. There are 5 per terminal systems. There are 5 in total, 1 for each color. This ink supply system can heat our ink. The second one can adjust the ink supply of each nozzle in time. It is a very sophisticated system. And then here is our house. And this is a white pre-tiered UV lamp. And then here is the pre-tiered UV lamp of the color ink. Then each nozzle here is installed with a separate color, and 10 nozzles here. And one head is controlled by one board. So 10 heads have 10 boards. And this is our total curing UV lamp. Here is our paper collection platform.